Changing the order in addition or multiplication does not change the results. We call this the commutative law. For addition, a plus b is the same as b plus a, and for multiplication, a times b is equivalent to b times a. The commutative law enables us to write equivalent expressions that will simplify our work. And here's some examples to illustrate that. They're asking us to rewrite, using the commutative law, the given expression. 5 plus x is equivalent to x plus 5. The terms are moving in the order, but not changing the value. Following addition, and likewise with multiplication, this next expression, m times n, is the same as if we took n first and then multiplied by m. In this next example, we have addition, and using the commutative property, we will put the second term first, followed by the first. And in this last one, we have multiplication of 4 times this quantity. We will put the quantity first, and then the number, using commutative property, which gives us an equivalent expression.